So today I'm going to show you a super easy Korean bean sprout soup. I saw someone drinking it on Instagram the other day and I was like, oh gosh, I have to show it to you. It takes 10 minutes flat. It's super delicious, even for those of you who do not like bean sprouts. So I hope you all enjoy. So honestly, there's only about 5 ingredients in this recipe and you see most of them here. I'm gonna start off with the base stock. Now, usually what is used is an anchovy broth. It's nice and light, it's really nice as well. We are going to be mimicking that with just some wakame seaweed and then also some Korean soybean paste. I thought it was gonna be cool to keep it in the Korean version. If you don't have it, you can feel free to use miso. Recipe is all going to be down below, as with all of the recipes. And you just want to whisk that in until it's nice and smooth. We're going to boil this for 4 to 5 minutes and then proceed. I'm just preparing some scallions and some garlic. Those will kind of go into the soup the last minute just to instill a lot of really amazing flavor. So I'm someone who loves the taste and texture of seaweed. This is a huge waste. I would not take it out, but typically there's not really seaweed in this soup. So you can choose to or not. After which I'm going to add in some fresh bean sprouts. And I know that there are a lot of people who do not like the flavor of raw bean sprouts. I do not either, but if you boil it for a couple of minutes, let those bean sprouts soften, it loses that kind of weird flavor that it has, and it just adds a really nice crunch to the soup. So we're just going to do that before adding in our garlic and our scallions the last minute. I'm just going to boil that soup for another 30 seconds to a minute just to get out some more of that garlic and scallion flavor. And then this is a really good time to adjust for seasoning as well. Usually I'll add in a little bit of salt to my liking. And with the bean sprouts, again, sometimes some people like it a little bit softer, so I would boil it a little bit longer until it gets translucent. It gets really nice that way too. But if you like the crunch, then you can just boil it for less time. It's really to your liking. Usually, if you see this soup from restaurants, it comes out piping hot. It's like still boiling. I'm always so scared when the waiters bring it out because it's piping hot. It's like boiling hot. So it makes for quite the show. But this one is not bad either. We topped it off with a little bit more scallions and then some of that roasted seaweed up on top. And it's just, oh, it is the perfect soup. It's the perfect soup for summer because it's really light as well, but just full of flavor. It's very savory. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this really quick and easy bean sprout soup recipe. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button. And I'll see you guys all again real soon. Bye!